This is the SCHLAGE Camelot Keypad entry that we have on our door. It was super easy to install. We love how it has the accent lever, so you can see from the outside and from the inside. It's very sleek looking. This one is in a satin nickel color, but they have other finishes as well that can match your door and your style. They do have a key for an override to unlock, and it comes with the keys. The directions are super simple. The programming directions are super simple. Everything's included in the box. You can store up to 19 codes on this, which is also super simple. And each of the entry codes are 4 digits. So you can choose any 4 digits. And it has an auto lock feature. So when you have it in lock mode, it stays locked. So even though you can open it from the inside, it'll be locked from the outside. So when you shut it, it will be locked. And same goes for if you're unlocked, it will stay unlocked until you lock it again. Highly recommend. We love this feature just to have easy access to get inside and out.